girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. IANN DIOR, Travis Barker, and Machine Gun Kelly thought it was. So a very cool song from them. Only 4 chords, no need for any capo. Let's go. E minor, that's the first chord. So we play open E here, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord is the G. So third on E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Next is D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. And the final chord will be C. So third on A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. That is the chord progression through the entire song. And we have these easy notes to hit from each and every chord. So let's start with those. The notes for the E minor will be these. Okay, so 3 notes there. Open E in the bass, open G, and second A. Okay, next notes are based on the G chord, and the notes are okay, so third on E in the bass, then open B and open D. Then we have the notes for D chord. That's these notes. So that is open D, second E, and second G. And the final notes are for C, and these are third on the A string, then open E, top string, and then open G. And that is the melody. I'm gonna play through for you so you can see how it sounds in a context. So let's go. Now I showed you also a strumming pattern in the introduction here for this tutorial. So this is pretty easy. We can grab an E minor to illustrate the strumming here. And that will be down, down, up, clap, down. Okay? So you will do that strumming round, 1 for each chord. So it sounds like this. Down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down, down, clap, down, down, clap. Minor, G, E, C. Freestyle there. That is this song from the IANN DIOR, Travis Barker, Machine Gun Kelly thought it was. I hope this was helpful for you guys. So see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and watch this channel and get latest coolest song ever, and perhaps some goodies sometimes, and even Wish Wednesdays. Don't forget them, wish songs here, and we'll see what we can do about it. See you soon, guys, and don't forget, play tuned.